Hello everyone, this is Philip Kowalski, and this is part 3 of my series, The 23 Most Important Formulas in Microsoft Excel, COUNTIF and COUNTIFs. Last time we talked about SUMIF and SUMIFs, and we are utilizing the same example today as we did in the last time. Now we enhanced it with the count sister, so to say, of the SUMIF and SUMIFs formula. And I would say we already start. If you have seen part 2 where we talked about SUMIF and SUMIFs, you may remember that we had a similar table like this one. I only have added these boxes here: items sold per color, items sold per salesperson, and items sold per color and salesperson. And now the formula is similar than SUMIF and SUMIFs, or at least the structure of the formula. So let's start right away. What we'd like to know here is exactly how many of the blue items have been sold. So we enter that cell and enter equals count if, there it is already. And as you can see here from this part, this has only two function arguments: the range in which we'd like to count and the criteria that we'd like to search for, whereas SUMIF and SUMIFs had also an additional range, but that doesn't apply to COUNTIF, of course, because it absolutely makes no sense. Okay, so first of all, we would like to see in the range of colors how many blue items have been sold. So the range would be like this one. Fix it with F4, and the criteria is, of course, this. We have given it a name last time, cell color, and here we go, 7 items sold. If you see, I have applied a special number format here, so maybe I just show this as a little bonus tip for you. Control 1, and you can see here how I have done this. For example, yeah, I will focus number formats in a later video maybe, but this is all about COUNTIFs. Okay, so maybe let's have a look. How many blues did we have? Maybe we marked them. Well, what about blue? Mark the blue ones in blue. Blue. Here are 2 more. Blue, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 items, it's true. Okay, do it again for the salesperson. So it's again COUNTIF, open brackets, range that we'd like to look for is in the salesperson. Fix it with F4, semicolon. As always, if you're working in a non-European environment, don't use the semicolon, you need to use the comma. It's different in the US than, for example, in Europe where I live. And the criteria here is the salesperson selection box here, select salesperson, close parentheses. And Dana has 8 items sold. Maybe we just change this. One change from Dana to Jenny, and you can see now it's only 7. Change it back to Jenny. So that is true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and where's number? There's number 8. Okay. Now go for COUNTIFs. COUNTIFs is a formula where you can apply the same logic as with COUNTIF, but this time we can use multiple criteria. So the multiple criteria that we use here is first the color and then second the salesperson. So it goes like this: equals COUNTIFs, open parentheses, criteria range 1 is of course the color. So this one, fix it with F4. The criteria 1 is the color here. Criteria range 2 is the salesperson. Fix it with F4. And criteria 2 is cell salesperson. Here we go. And Dana has sold 2 blue items. Let's just see. 1 for Dana, and the second one is below here. That's absolutely right. So that was COUNTIF and COUNTIFs, the stepsister, so to say, of SUMIF and SUMIFs. Hope you enjoyed it. Looking forward to your feedback, whether in the comments or on my blog, where you can also download the example file. And by the way, I just see it's labeled wrong here. It should read not SUMIF. You see, I was lazy. Utilized the old file. Go to my blog, excelblog.net, where you can also download the example file here, and in addition get other examples as well. So far, hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.